Hello there, me again. And of course, I want to go into the next chapter here. Now, the reason why I'm doing this is because I don't want this video to be like an hour long. And I wanted to put it in parts for you guys, so you guys could take a break between them. But anyway, so, cleaning the removable vaginal insert. Remove the vaginal inserts. No, I guess we somewhat didn't talk about this. I mean, we did in an earlier video, but I'm going to go over it here again. Gently pull the vaginal insert out of your doll by using 2 fingers to reach between the inserts and the vaginal cavity wall to kind of give it a little bit of space, basically. Wrap your fingers around the head of the insert and gently pull. And they do mean gently, not too hard, of course. The insert will slightly stretch, but keep slowly pulling when you have enough room. Grasp the insert with your other hand and continue to pull. Doing so will prevent the insert from popping out suddenly. Okay, now after you do that, this next section here says washing the inserts. With warm water running from the faucet, add 2-3 drops of liquid antibacterial soap with the insert of, or with the inside of the insert. I said that wrong. I mean, just like I said before, you could just use dishwasher soap. Anyway. Or you could just use toilet cleaner, which would actually probably be a bit better, actually. Anyway. Stick to the insert under the lightly running faucets, slowly filling the insert with water. As it fills, squeeze the outside of the insert to mix the soap and water. Dump the water into the sink and then rinse the inside of the inserts repeatedly until all soap has visibly been removed. Leaving soap in your insert could cause irritation during use. Again, with the irritation, so make sure it's rinsed roughly several times. I mean, again, like a few times at best. Anyway, after your insert is clean, you will want to pat dry the outside with a soft towel, but you should allow the inside to air dry. You could also use a fan if you want, but just let it dry. You can place the insert on a towel to dry or turn it upside down in a dish drainer. We do not recommend turning the we do not recommend turning the insert inside out, as it may unnecessarily wear and stretch the inserts. Yes, don't do that. It won't work. Okay. Now this is for the oral inserts here. Now some things are similar. Just use antibacterial toilet cleaner or dishwasher soap, and a couple other things. Also did kind of show you guys a video on how to remove it and put it back in, basically, but I'm going to read this here. So, removable face. Gently work your fingers under the face to separate the magnets from each other. Locate the small plug in the lower jaw of the skull. Gently push the small silicone plug up through the hole until it's free. Tilt the neck back and gently grasp the sides of the mouth inserts from the back and slowly slide it back out of the track. Now the full head. It says here, starting under the chin, slowly work your fingers in between the face and the skull. You will only need to loosen the lower jaw from the face. Peel back at the lower part of the face. Gently push the small silicone plug up through the hole until it's free. Tilt the head back and gently grasp the sides of the mouth inserts from the back and slowly slide it back into the track. Yeah, just make sure it kind of goes, down the throat, to say the least. Skystar, Solana, Nova, and male faces will have magnets instead of plugs. Remove the tongue, wash with liquid antibacterial soap, rinse with hot water, set aside to dry. Wash the oral insert the same as the vaginal insert, basically. And it shows here a picture of, them putting in the insert. Now let's see. Use tweezers gently to pull the silicone plug down through the hole in the skull chin. Slide the throat into place. Insert the tongue back into the mouth using isopropyl alcohol as a lubricant. It was that alcohol that we were talking about in an earlier video. Yeah, don't use rubbing alcohol anyway. Isopropyl alcohol will help the key throat plug and tongue slide into place. But that's enough about that. Next one is lubrication, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And of course, if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments and I'll answer them, obviously. See you next video.